guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this video we are going to talk about the Celsius network that last month halted the withdrawal, and now they have filed for the bankruptcy. And it is like almost all the hope of all the depositors onto the platform is gone. $4.8 billion they owe to the customers, and nobody's getting anything for now. In fact, like the people have believed that they have lost everything. So make sure you watch the video, guys, completely till the end. We are going to talk about the risk management, but at the same time we are also going to read the messages from the Reddit of the users who actually lost the funds. The kind of feelings that these people are going through, we all are in this together. Like, for example, when you open the Celsius network, like, people are actually posting if you're feeling suicidal, because the funds gone, like some of the people had their life savings onto the network, and once it is gone just because of fault of somebody else, this is something that is really undigestible. Let us read, like, for example, this guy. He says, man, that 1 point some Bitcoin and like 20 Ethereum I had on Celsius actually made me feel proud of myself. I bought them through the last bear market, and while DCAing it for about 2 years, fighting my emotions through the crypto winter, when we had the bull market, I felt great about myself. The crypto I had gave me the confidence in life in general. I don't live an amazing life, and I'm not a confident person, that this felt like a great achievement. And now suddenly the funds are gone, as I had them sitting on Celsius gaining interest. I immediately lost a significant amount of confidence, and that feeling of achievement got crushed so quick that I'm struggling to process it. I kind of understood the risk with Celsius. I did take a decent amount of risk, and I knew I could lose it. But I never knew the consequence could impact my sense of self. I didn't think it would crush my self-esteem so quickly. The point here you're about to see, what you're seeing, like probably 1 point some BTC and 20 Ethereum, it is like at the peak of the bull run, this would have been like approximately last year 2021, at the peak of the bull run, it would have been $180,000 approximately. But right now, like, this is gone, and this guy actually saved it through the entire winter, the last crypto winter, like 2018, when Bitcoin was 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and you're holding it. Ethereum was like 200, 300, 400, 500, holding it all the way till like you have made 10x your investment, 10x, 15x your investment, and then out of nowhere you losing it all. This is something, guys. And please make sure you watch the video, guys, because I'm going to tell you some of the good things as well, some of the positive things as well. Like, even if you have lost it in the Celsius, or if you have lost it somewhere else, you need to be hearing some of the messages. I wanted to show you, like, one of the guy who actually, he wrote that it's over for him. Like, the last words I'm writing, this was quite depressing to read. Like, one of the guy, for example, wrote like this is the last word for me. I had like 500,000 approximately, mid six figures onto Celsius. That was the entire fund that I had. My wife does not know I have 4 kids. There's no point, it's 100% gone. That's what he wrote. And there's no point of consoling anymore, because I do not think I can take it anymore. These kind of messages really mess you up, guys. Let's read another message. The amount of money Celsius lost is insane. If Alex found a magic money printer that could print $1, it would take 11 days. All right. So, guys, it's all the way the depression, and I can understand, because even when you're losing the money with a crypto downfall, it's really bad. But just imagine, like, because of somebody else's fault, there's no hope left. When the crypto is crushed, you still have the hope that eventually you will be getting it back once the next bull run come. But right now, like, what are you talking about? The money is gone. Like, one of the guy I read, he had 45 Ethereum onto the platform. That was the entire, he was supposed to buy a house with that. His family does not know what has happened at the time when Celsius halted the withdrawals, and right now probably the whole hope is gone. So, guys, the points that I wanted to mention, one of the thing is that whenever that you are supposed to move on to the next level in your life, emotionally, financially, or any other field, you face a tremendous loss into the previous level. Your emotional quotient is shaken upside down, and that's how you move it to the next level. A lot of millionaires, multimillionaires, you ask them, this is what they'll tell you, that before they made $100,000, first $100,000, they lost five figures. They lost tens of thousands of dollars. Before they made that $1 million, they lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Before they made that $10 million, they lost million and several $1 million. So this is part of the cycle, guys. Money is a sort of a thing that comes and goes. If you have lost it anywhere, do not be disheartened. This is preparation for you. The emotional quotient is being changed. The emotional tolerance limit within you is changed so that you can experience the next level. Let me give you an example. Tony Robbins, in his initial days, actually was struggling, and then eventually he happened to become the millionaire. Like, he happened to make $1 million, and then, like, a few months down the line, or year down the line, probably, like, he had a partnership with one of the guy and stuff. Eventually he landed up in a lawsuit, and he was legally asked to pay $100 million. He did not even have entire net worth close to it. $100 million, just imagine. You have made some money, you've made millions of dollars, and suddenly you're legally asked to pay hundreds of millions of dollars, $100 million, which you don't even have one tenth of. What do you do in that situation? Tony Robbins went through it, but that too passed, and eventually, right now, he's a multi-billionaire. So this is what happens when you are about to move on to the next level. So any of the users who have lost big within the Celsius network, this is my message to all of you guys. Do not be disheartened, guys. This is your story. Once you make it 10 times more, 100 times more than what you have lost, eventually this will be your story that is worthy telling everywhere, that is worthy for the people to learn. Imagine, like, if everything would have been just positive, like you just spent somewhere and you made so big. I mean, it's not a worth story that relates with other people. You will be the motivation for the people, for the coming generation to come, where you can say, okay, I lost so much, and I got back on my feet eventually. So you have to fight it on, guys. It's tough time, but you'll have to manage your emotions. And then, what are the learning lessons for us? Definitely, as I have been consistently telling, like, be skeptical about everything, and then risk, and then think what are the actions that you can take and whether those actions are worth it. For example, let's say there was a FUD about KuCoin. Even though the KuCoin exchange is valued, like, a few months back, it was valued $10 billion, and they have so much of the funds, amazing customer growth, and Binance one of the top. But let's say I have all my funds onto the KuCoin. I need to be thinking, yes, I'm pretty sure, damn sure, everything is all right with KuCoin. But at the same time, I need to be thinking, I need to be questioning that. I need to be thinking, what if everything goes wrong? Do I have risk management in place? What can I do about it? Probably I move 70% of my funds onto better exchange like Binance, like bigger exchange. Obviously, Binance is a bigger exchange, even the Coinbase. So Coinbase, Binance, and then keep 30% on the KuCoin for the trading. Guess what? And then I further need to question, what if it's lost onto the Binance? Chances are low, but yes, I need to be questioning. So what can I do? I can get it on my cold wallet, but is it worth it on getting on the cold wallet? With the amount of money that I have, probably for now, Binance is much safer option, because, like, I might be losing the keys or probably the transfer. But in the future, when I'm hoping to make multi-million dollars, then I need to be knowing about the self custody. So I make the target within myself. If I make certain amount of money within the crypto, I'll be preparing myself to learn the usage of self custody. Right? So have your plan in place, and when you keep on questioning the risk management this way, at least you would not make the mistake of putting your entire funds onto a third party platform which promises just to give the interest. Next time, like, we will be much cautious on that. So these are the things, guys, definitely we need to be taking care of. And I wish all of you guys all the best. Yes, the bear market is on. Yes, the tough times are on. This too shall pass. We are going to recover back. the entire financial condition of the entire world is really bad right now. And once this gets over, definitely even the crypto market will be finding a great relief rally. And then by the next halvening, like probably the big bull run we are waiting for. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope you liked it. Comment down below for what do you think of the Celsius. Comment down below if you have lost anything in the crypto, in the Celsius, or anywhere else. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.